Learn some colors name. Red color, yellow color, violet color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color. 2D shapes: star, circle, heart, rectangle, crescent, triangle. Let's draw it. Black color, star, rectangle, circle, crescent. Heart, triangle. Colors: yellow color, yellow color, star, red color, red color, circle, blue color, blue color, heart, green color, green color, rectangle, light pink color, light pink color, crescent, pink color, pink color, triangle, star, circle, heart, rectangle, crescent, triangle. Please like my video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.